Okay, so this is your space vocabulary. I know this is a lot, but you got this. Okay, so there are 2 columns. I would start with this page first. For some reason, I glued it in backwards, but it's up to you. Anyway, so you have your space to draw a picture, and then you have the vocabulary word itself, and then definitions over here. This, I would write revolution for sure. All right, so revolution, the path one object takes as it revolves around another object in space. So Earth revolves around the sun, giving us our year. And also the moon revolves around Earth. So your model here, Earth revolves around the sun, as well as the moon revolves around Earth, like this. Craters would be bowl-shaped indents or cavities on the surface of a planet that are caused by a collision with another object. So whatever that be, something hitting something else and putting craters in it. Moon is a natural satellite that orbits a planet. So Earth has a moon, but also other planets have moons. Sun, it's the star in the center of our solar system and supplies heat and light to Earth. Its gravity keeps the system in orbit. Earth, a planet in our solar system that has life on it. We also have water, liquid water. Some planets have frozen water. Gravity, a force that pulls objects towards the center of the Earth. Gravity. Next, we have rotation. This is the time it takes the Earth to make a complete rotation on its axis, 24 hours. So spinning around that imaginary line is rotation. That gives us our day cycle, so day and night. Axis is a line, real or imaginary, around which something spins. We're going to emphasize that it's imaginary in this scenario because if we were to take a rocket ship to space, you can't look down and see the axis. A compass is an instrument that shows direction and uses a small magnet to show north. So that's what we would use to, especially before we had navigation. A compass shows which way north is. That would help you navigate. A shadow is a dark area caused when an object blocks light falling on a surface. So as you can see, the sun is shining and then the tree blocks it, or the tree absorbs the light, and then there's a shadow behind it. So the light passes around the tree. However, when it hits the tree absorbs it, and then there's a shadow behind it. A sundial is an instrument that measures the time of day using the position of the sun. So wherever the sun is, the shadow is going to cast specifically like at a number so that you know what time it is. That's what they used to use before clocks. So depending on if the sun is here, then the shadow might be somewhere else. If it was over here, then the shadow's over here. So it kind of just shows you what time of day it is based on shadows. And then lastly, we have day and night. Day is Earth faces the sun and is lighted, and then night is when it faces away from the sun and is dark. So depending on where we are in our rotation, day or night, it takes 24 hours. So there's that.